Hello everyone, children, welcome back. In this video lesson, I'm going to continue with the articles. In the previous lesson, I had discussed about the indefinite articles. In this lesson, I shall discuss about the definite article the. The definite article the is used with a common noun which is already known or which has been already mentioned. It is used to particularize the person or thing denoted by the noun. The is a weak form of the word that. Let's read the given sentences. I have a car. The car is old. In this example, there are two sentences. In the first sentence, we introduce the topic, that is, a car. So here, we use an indefinite article a. In the second sentence, we refer to the same car which has been already mentioned in the first sentence. So here in the second sentence, we use the definite article the before the noun car. To sum up, when we talk about a noun which has been already mentioned, we place the definite article before the noun. Secondly, the book you gave me is interesting. In this sentence, the article the is used before the noun book because it is already known which book we are talking about. The definite article the is also used with a singular noun to represent the whole class. Let's read the examples. The lion is the king of forest. The dog is a faithful animal. In these examples, the is used with singular nouns lion and dog to represent the whole class of lions and dogs respectively. The lion means all lions. The dog means all dogs. There are three ways to represent the whole class. Firstly, by using an indefinite article. For example, a dog is a faithful animal. Secondly, by using the definite article. Example, the dog is a faithful animal. Thirdly, by using plural nouns. For example, dogs are faithful animals. So, we can represent the whole class by using an indefinite article as in sentence 1, a dog, by using the definite article as in sentence 2, the dog, or by using plural nouns as in sentence 3, dogs. Now, let us examine some of the things with which the definite article is used. The is used with the names of rivers like the Ganges, the Nile, with names of seas like the Bay of Bengal, the Arabian Sea, with names of oceans like the Pacific Ocean, the Indian Ocean, with names of groups of islands like the West Indies, the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, with names of mountain ranges like the Himalayas, the Vindhyas, with names of sacred books like the Bible, the Gita, the Quran. With names of newspapers like the Times of India, the Economic Times. With names of famous building like the Taj Mahal, the Red Fort. With names of communities like the Hindus, the Christians, the Mohammedans. With names of nationalities like the Indians, the French, the Americans. With names of political parties like the Congress, the BJP. With names of planes like the Indian Airlines, the Spice Jet. With names of ships like the Jal Durga. With names of organizations like the Indian Air Force, the Indian Army. The definite article is generally not used with a proper noun. It may be used with a proper noun only to describe a person, place, or thing by making a comparison and suggesting an attribute or a quality. Let us read some examples. Shillong is the Scotland of the East. In this sentence, there is a comparison between two places, Shillong and Scotland. Scotland is well known for its natural beauty. The definite article is placed before the noun Scotland to suggest its natural beauty and to compare Shillong to Scotland. The sentence Shillong is the Scotland of the East means Shillong is as beautiful as Scotland. Next sentence. Kalidas was the Shakespeare of India. Kalidas was an Indian playwright, and Shakespeare was a famous English playwright. So there is a comparison between Kalidas and Shakespeare in this sentence. The definite article is used before Shakespeare to suggest his versatility or talent as a playwright and to compare Kalidas with Shakespeare. So the sentence Kalidas was the Shakespeare of India means Kalidas was as talented or as versatile as Shakespeare. The definite article is used with adjectives to represent the whole class. Let's read the examples. The rich are not always happy. The wise are good listeners. In these sentences, the rich means all rich people. The wise means all wise men. Please note that rich and wise are adjectives, and the definite article is used before them to represent the whole class. The definite article is used with superlatives. There are 3 degrees of comparison, as you are aware of it: positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. For example, long, longer, longest are the positive, comparative, and superlative degrees respectively. When we use a superlative we place the definite article before it. Let us look at some examples. The longest day has the shortest night. Mount Everest is the highest peak. In these examples, longest, shortest, highest are superlatives, and therefore we place the before them. The definite article may also be used with a comparative, but not always. It can be used with a comparative to select one out of two persons or things. Let's look at the examples. Sid is the younger of the two sons. In this sentence, we select one out of the two sons. So we place the before the comparative younger. Second sentence, Sheila is the taller of the two sisters. Again here, we select one sister out of two. So we place the before the comparative taller. So please note that we use the definite article before a comparative only in cases where a selection is meant. So children, that is all in this lesson. Thank you.